Hello everyone, I am here with you with some topics related to nervous system. Already in last video we have discussed about that brain, spinal cord and nerves are parts of nervous system. And also we have discussed about the structure of a brain or parts of a brain. So the second part of nervous system is spinal cord. So spinal cord is present in our backbone. Already we have discussed that our backbone consists of 33 vertebrae which make a column. In this column lies a bundle of thick rope-like nerves called spinal cord. It starts from the medulla, which is part of brain, and goes down to the end of spine. Nerves from this spinal cord are spread all over the body. Messages travel to and fro between the brain and the rest of the body through the spinal cord. So this is all about the spinal cord. Actually this spinal cord is present in the hollow region or hollow part of backbone, and it connects our brain to the rest part of the body. Next part is nerves. It is third part of our nervous system. Nerves are wire-like structure that link the whole body to the brain. Means our brain is connected to the whole body with the help of these nerves. Nerves are made up of nerve cells. There are mainly three types of nerves: sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerve. So how many types of nerves are there? Three types of nerves are there: sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerves. And all these nerves have some specific functions. First we will discuss about sensory nerves. What we will discuss about? Sensory nerves. These nerves are associated with the sense organs of our body. Means they carry information from eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin to the brain. So what is the function of sensory nerve? Sensory nerve carry information or carry messages from our sense organs to the brain. Means if you are watching anything, those things is those information is received by brain with the help of your sensory nerves. Second is motor nerves. These nerves carry information from the brain to our muscles or organs and make them move. For example, the watering of the mouth at the aroma of good food. So what is function of motor nerves? Means just a simple example I am giving you. You have touched a hot water or hot glass of water, anything, means whatever is hot. You have just touched that hot thing and your skin have given message to your brain, and in brain have given you command, just take out your hand. Means you just take your hands back, because if you will remain as you will just touch that hot thing only, you will burn. One second example also I am giving. If you are moving from one place to another place, and on the way you have seen there is a big hole on the road. your eyes have seen that hole and sent message immediately to the brain, and brain has given command, just you change the way or you don't move in that way as you will fall in the hole. So in this way motor nerves give command to the rest part of the body which they received by the brain. Next one is mixed nerve. These nerves perform both functions, means they carry messages from our spinal cord to the brain and bring back signals from the brain too. So mixed nerves are composed of both nerves, sensory nerves and motor nerves, or sensory fibers or motor fibers. The same nerve fiber never perform both tasks. Means if sensory nerve is there, they will send message to the brain, and if motor nerve is there, they will bring back the command given by the brain. Same nerve never do both command. In mixed nerve, both type of fibers are present, so they can perform both tasks. Here I am showing you one example that, see, this girl eats green chili. What she has done? She has eaten green chili. Then sensory nerve which is present on the tongue given the message to the brain. Here it is mixed nerve present, and in return motor nerve given command to her, it is hot so you don't have it. That's why this girl is crying. Now she have felt it is very hot, or it is very hot, and so she should not have this chili. So in this way you can see the example of this sensory nerve, motor nerve and mixed nerve. So how many types of nerves are there? 3 types of nerves are there: sensory, motor and mixed nerves. I hope it is clear to you that how many parts are there in nervous system, what are function of different part of nervous system. Some more discussion will be done in next video. I hope you are enjoying or studying your study material. Okay students, thank you all.